You can have the best product in the world, but bad images will kill your sales. And if you don't get them to click, then they're not going to buy. Now we can see this is a first image of an item. And yes, it does look pretty decent, right? But what we want to do is we want to be standing out. We want to get that click where people are like, wow, I want to click this, even if they're not even searching for it on Amazon. And this is an example of a listing like this one, right? Now you can see that it has the food, right? It has all of that where it kind of could make you hungry, salivate. It produces some type of sense or emotion or benefit, right? We want to see images like this that produce something where they make you, wow, let's click on this. This is going to help you stand out. And here's another example, right? So this is a bad example, in my opinion. Now we're looking at this one right here, where it just has a pan, and obviously it's an oven crisp baking tray. You bake stuff on it, but it's a little boring compared to one of the competitors that's making so much more money, getting a lot more clicks, and it's this one right here. And this one, all they did was add bacon on the sheet. Bacon doesn't come with it, but hell yeah, it definitely adds a lot of clicks, and it does. More clicks potentially means more sales. $159,000 a month in sales compared to 41,000. So, I mean, that's the game changer right there. It's just adding some bacon on your listing. And we've got another one. I'm giving you many examples, and this is an electric kettle. And this one does look pretty decent. I'm not going to lie, it looks solid. But if you look at the competition, they all look the same. Now, how do we get to stand out for just a kettle? Well, we got to do something. Something's better than nothing. And what they did is they added a benefit, right? So you can see this one right here is generating more sales. And all they did was add a tag that obviously doesn't come with the item, but it says boil 2 cups under 2 minutes. So what they did is they looked at the negative reviews of the competitors, and all the negative reviews were saying, it's taking too long to boil. It takes like 5 minutes, way too long. Theirs boils in under 2 minutes. Put that little tag. Yes, they're going to get more clicks. Yes, they're going to get more sales. And they're solving a problem, showing a benefit, right? It's not rocket science here. Now we're going to be looking also at secondary images. Once you get them to click, right, you've got that bacon on the sheet. Now what do? Now you need to make sure they buy. It's not just about clicking, it's about buying. So now they're going to click. They might just buy right away, right? Because you did the hard part, which is getting them to click. Now the final part is getting them to buy. And sometimes they're going to be looking at your secondary images. And you know how people love these images, right? Now they've got the cookie. Now they're showing cookies. Love this, right? And it actually shows somebody's hand picking up the cookies, which makes it even more realistic. Now I hate this photo because it looks super fake. But other than that photo, right, they've got all these foods. Oh man, they do a good job on their secondary images. And what we can do is look at some of the competitors. So we're going to look at this one right here. Now, again, it's about having their second images stand out. And nobody really cares about, this is their second image, okay? It's very boring. Carrot, I don't know. Who cares? Why is this their second image? I don't know why at all. Now let's look at one of the competitors. At least the second image shows what it comes with. I do like this, but this is where it really stands out. It's showing them using the item. They've got the tonsils, and they've got this delicious, it looks like a 5-star restaurant dish in here. And now you can just put it right in the oven. Again, these are lifestyle images that show the customer them using it. If you ever see a lot of influencers, right, doing promotions, it's them using the product because it's the easiest way to sell an item. It helps the customers think about the product and say, wow, this is exactly what I want. I can see myself using it, right? It's that easy. And that's what they're doing for 3 of these images. There's a reason why they're doing it for 3 of these images, right? So That's going to help them generate a lot, almost $1 million in sales a month. And there's a reason why compared to $40,000 in sales a month, right? $1 million, 40, up to you at the end of the day. And then we can look at this one again. This one, the secondary images, it's showing somebody actually using the product. Not only that, in the same image, it also has the benefits, right? I think you see like pretty much a trend here. This one doesn't have anybody actually using the product. It just has pictures, like close-ups, right? Super boring, right? So add people in there. And if you do need a free listing audit and you're like, I don't know what my listing needs, just go to our description, click on get free listing audit, fill out this info, and then we'll do a free listing audit for you. Look at your top competitors and what you can do better, right? But the main thing you want to do is target the 5 senses, if possible, in that first image. Now, the first image is the most important, then work slowly on the secondary image, one image at a time, right? But how can you make the images, brighten up when they see it? Wow. Can they pretend to hear it, touch it, taste it, smell it, right? We saw that food of the bacon. You could potentially, if you just ate bacon or what cookies smell like, you could smell it or taste it. This one looks like it was just freshly cooked. And that's exactly what we want to do. Now, if you can't add the senses, you're like, I don't know where to start. Just add some benefits. And that's exactly what the pot did, is it added just a benefit right here. This is all they added. They just pretty much added like a little tag right there that doesn't actually come with the item. So adding benefits is still good. So the designs do matter. It does help with clicks, and then it does help with conversion. And then what that does over time is pushes you to the first page on Amazon. If you don't know what to do, just do something small. They just added a little box in the background, right? Nothing crazy, right? They just added a little piece of meat right in the bottom left corner, which I think looks kind of terrible, but it's been working for them. They're still generating a lot of sales just to have a little piece of meat that makes them stand out. So it just takes one thing on Amazon to help you stand out. And I know there's policies on images that say you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. Try it. I've never seen somebody get suspended for having a wrong image. All they do is just not show it. So you really have some leverage to try different things on here and see what works for you. The goal is to succeed. So get ahead right now. And that's it for today's video. If you have more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, making designs, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our account management. We'll come in, our designers will revamp your designs, do your SEO, run your ads, customer service, and of course, increase your sales. So that way you can focus on growing your business while we're managing it and doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.